Deadly jealousy. Welcome to New Story in English. Today I will tell you a very beautiful short story. The name of the story is Deadly Jealousy. Let's start reading this beautiful story. Henry Fletcher sat in his office, deep in thought about his wife. He wondered what she was doing at that very moment. Henry started to have thoughts like, does she have a boyfriend? Maybe she does, maybe she doesn't. Is she with her lover now? He needed to know. Without hesitation, he picked up the phone and dialed his home number, hoping to speak to his wife. But to his surprise, it was James, the butler, who answered the call. Henry, hello, is that James, the butler? James, yes, sir, it is. Henry, James, is my wife at home? James, yes, sir. Henry, good. Can you bring her to the phone? I want to speak to her right away. Hurry up. James, very good, sir. So you want me to bring your wife to the phone, right, sir? Henry, yes, James. Now go and do it. James goes off slowly, and Henry speaks to himself, saying, I think my wife has a lover. I must find out. What is James doing? And where is my wife? James comes back slowly and speaks into the phone. James, hello, sir. James speaking. Henry, hello, James. So, where's my wife? James, your wife is at home, sir, but she can't speak to you at the moment, I'm afraid. Henry, she can't speak to me. My wife can't speak to me. Why not? James, well, sir, she's in the bathroom. Henry, in the bathroom. James, with a man. Henry, putting a hand to his head, with a man. James, but don't worry, sir, it's only Mr. Bless-you, the plumber. He's working in the bathroom. Henry, not listening, speaking to himself, she's in the bathroom with her boyfriend. I knew it. James, can you do something for me? James, of course, sir. Henry, go into my bedroom and find the box under my bed. In that box, there's a gun. Take it out, James. James, very good, sir. You want me to go into your bedroom, find the box under your bed, and take out the gun. Is that right, sir? Henry, yes. James, yes. Just go and do it. James goes off slowly, and Henry speaks to himself, saying, I knew it. My wife has a lover. But soon James is going to come back with that gun, and then James comes back with the gun. James, into the phone, hello, sir, James here. Henry, hello, James. Have you got the gun? James, yes, sir. I went into your bedroom, found the box under your bed and took out the gun. I have it with me now, sir. Henry, right, James. Now listen carefully. James, I'm listening very carefully, sir. Henry, go into the bathroom. James, yes, sir. Henry, with the gun. James, yes, sir. Henry, and shoot my wife through the head. James, yes, sir. Henry, and the man in the bathroom with her. James, shoot him through the head too. Now, James, do you understand what to do? James, yes, sir. You want me to go into the bathroom with the gun, shoot your wife through the head, and shoot the man with her through the head too, sir. Henry, very good, James. Well, just go and do it. James goes off, and we hear 2 gunshots. Henry, looking pleased and smiling to himself, ha! Good old James. Well done. James comes back slowly, without the gun. James, into the phone. Hello, sir. Did you hear the shots, sir? Henry, yes, James, I did. Is everything all right? James, oh yes, sir. I went into the bathroom with the gun, and I shot your wife through the head. And I shot the man with her through the head too. Henry, right, and are the 2 of them dead, James? James, oh yes, sir. Henry, very good, James. Oh, and James, what did you do with the gun? James, the gun, sir? Henry, yes, James, the gun. What did you do with it? James, yes, sir. I put it in the swimming pool, James replied confidently. The swimming pool, James? Henry asked, his voice filled with fear. The swimming pool in the back garden, sir, James clarified. Henry's face turned pale as he stammered, but we haven't got a swimming pool in our back garden. The room fell silent as the truth sank in. James finally broke the silence. Oh, I see. Well, then, I'm afraid you've got the wrong number, sir. Goodbye. Oh. Goodbye. Henry muttered, his voice filled with confusion and disbelief. Henry sat on his office chair. His heart was still beating fast from the big mistake. He had called the wrong number. With renewed determination, Henry picked up the phone and dialed his wife's number once again. This time, he made sure to double-check the digits, ensuring it was the correct number. As the phone rang, he felt a mix of nervousness and anticipation. To his delight, his wife answered on the first ring. Hello, she greeted, her voice filled with warmth and familiarity. Hello, my love. Is everything all right? I was worried about you. Is Mother still with you at home? Henry inquired, his voice filled with genuine concern. Yes, dear. Everything is fine. Is something the matter? His wife replied, her tone laced with curiosity. No, nothing is wrong. I just wanted to tell you that I'll be picking both of you up for dinner tonight. Henry reassured her, a sense of relief evident in his voice. When Henry finished the call, he felt much relaxed. But he was still worried about the first call. It turned out, the man on the other line of the first call knew Henry called the wrong number by mistake. But he decided to play into Henry's doubts. Henry felt a huge relief wash over him. He was determined to learn from this experience. He would not believe his doubts again in the future. He promised not to let wild guesses take over him.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.